Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Jacqueline and in today's video we're going to be unboxing my Boxycharm for the month of August. But before we get started, and if you're new here, please consider to subscribe to my channel and ring that little notification bell so you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Also, come and follow me on my Instagram. And now, if you want to know what I receive on my Boxycharm, whether it's worth the subscription box or not, just keep on watching. So we're here, August, and my Boxycharm arrived fairly fast. Usually it arrives in the middle of the month, but right now it is, what day it is? I think it's the 6th or the 7th, and I received my Boxycharm, which I'm excited. It's August, and I cannot believe, again, another month passing by. So sad. I don't know, like when we grow, this is reality. I mean, like, time flies. I mean, it's, everybody says it, but that's the truth. But anyhow, my friends, if you don't know anything about Boxycharm, what this thing is and why there's so much fuss about it in Instagram, social media, and YouTube, and why everybody's unboxing their Boxycharm, is because it's one of the most popular subscription boxes. So basically, it's a monthly subscription box that costs $21 per month, and you receive between 4 to 5 full-size items. So no samples, no travel size, but full size. And usually we get really good brands. Lately I had been doing a Boxycharm unboxing battle with Ipsy, but I will be traveling this coming week, so I'm not gonna be able to do that unboxing on time, because by the time that I get here I have another things scheduled, and then it will be too late into the month for me to do the battle. So we're just gonna go ahead and open my Boxycharm. Now, also for those who do not are not subscribed to Boxycharm, I will leave my link down below. It's not a affiliate link, it's more of a referral link. I don't have I don't earn any commission from it. I mean, Boxycharm, they only know me as a client, and I'm not like promoting or anything like that. Also, if you don't know, if you do Boxycharm for 3 months, it costs less money, as well as if you do it for the full year. So that's a really good deal sometimes, to do it, you know, for the entire year, or, you know, for 3 months at a time, because you save a little bit of money. And also, by becoming a Boxycharm, a charmer, and that's how Boxy call us, charmers. Basically, you can also do Boxy looks, which comes every season, which is a really nice box. Anyhow, stop rambling right here, and I'm gonna open it. Every time that you receive your box of Boxycharm, you will get this right here. It's a little postcard type of theme pamphlet that basically tells you the theme of the month, and then on the back you get to know which products you're getting, a little bit more about each of the products, and the value of the product, the retail value. So this month theme is totally Boxycharm. So there you go. Pink, I don't know, a little bit kind of retro, maybe like 90s, something like that. Totally Boxycharm. Alright, well, let's see what is the first product that I got. Okay, the first item that I got is this Becca Cosmetics Hydro Mist Set and Refresh Powder. There you go. And again, this is a full size. I haven't tried this powder. So this powder comes with 0.35 or 10 grams, and I have heard mixed reviews about it. Some of them say that it's really good, and some of them they said no way. Is this full? I wish to compare it with one from the store, but I don't have one. So do you see right there? Doesn't seem like it's full. It seems like it's half the way. Is it me or is my idea? Let's see. Can you see it from there? I don't know if the lights are glaring at you or not, but it seems like the powder is half the way. I will have to go to the store and see. Interesting. Might not be. maybe that's the way it comes. So this is a setting powder, but instead of being like a mattifying setting powder, it's more of like a hydrating setting powder. So basically it says right here, this weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water, wow, and glycerin. Glycerin is really good for the skin too. This powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. So basically when you put this powder on, what I have heard of is like that you feel like it's like applying water to your skin, like it feels kind of wet, but it's not going wet. So it's just like kind of like sensation, you know, something like it's just an experience, a sensorial experience on your skin, but you have to keep it completely closed. It says here, keep me close to keep me cool, because if you don't keep it enclosed, what will happen, it will just the properties that it has, it will kind of like go away, so you will not feel anymore that cooling, you know, wet type of sensation. I'm excited to get it, and again, this was $39 full size. I don't know about if the container is full though. Maybe yes, maybe not. Maybe somebody can, you know, leave comments down below. Now, next item that I received is this Wonder Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Okay, it's a face oil right here, and this is by Wonder Beauty. I love this brand. I love the foundation of this brand. Super good, amazing foundation. So anyhow, these right here retails for $42 for an oil, and this is pretty small. This is 0.84 ounces or 25 mLs. So it's not a travel size, it's a regular size. What it says here, this is a multitasking beauty elixir, instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, juiceful complexion, no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. Okay, sounds good. It seems like it's packed with antioxidants, so that's always good. It's formulated without mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates, no synthetic fragrances, and it's cruelty-free too. And this is made in Korea. So I'm excited to try it. It's an oil, so maybe I can use this before foundation. I will have to give it a go, but I'm excited about it because I really enjoy Wonder Beauty brand. So again, this was $42. Next item that I got, it seems like it's a duo. Yeah, it's a glimmer duo. It's by Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadows, and they look so much alike to ColourPop Super Shock Shadows, don't they? And I got them in the shade Cotton Candy and Ice Latte. So these are actually colors that I will wear. I really like this Cotton Candy one. It looks kind of like coral pink shade. Super pretty. This one is Ice Latte. Let me just do a quick swatch. I'm very intrigued about this. Okay, they feel really smooth. Ooh, this is beautiful. I never tried this product by Ace Beauty. I'm happy with, ooh. Oh my gosh, this Cotton Candy one, this is the coral of my dreams. It does have a few glitter particles here and there, but not much, because I'm not a glitter girl. I don't like glitter, so hopefully you can see it right there. It's a very sunny day, so I don't know what to do with the light. It's just, I have a big window right here, and it's just sunny California. So anyhow, going back to these, they look so beautiful, don't they? I love them, and I actually love the two colors that I got. This is perfect. So it says right here that the shadow duo costs $25, so $25 for the two shadows, And it says here, it's high pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture, very creamy, especially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. Okay, I will need to try that. I really want to try that because if it doesn't crease, it doesn't fade. And I saw that there was a little bit of glitter in there, not too much at all. It's more of like a foil type of finish. But I don't like glitter, so this is perfect. And I'm excited to give it a go. Okay, next item that I got on my box is this Steve Laurent, what is it? It's a lip liner. There you go. And I got it in the shade Chic. And this is made in China. Okay. It says right here, Steve Laurent, reshape, resize, redefine your pout. The lip pencil is total magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. Completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day. Okay, it lasts up to 7 hours and it costs $15. I don't think I have tried this brand before. But the color seems to be a good color, like, you know, kind of like a brown, bronzy color that it will pair well for, you know, like very nude kind of like lipstick. So I mean, a lip liner, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, last item that I got here is the Big Eagle Mascara by Tarte. Yay! This one I'm excited about because I actually reviewed the Unleashed palette by Tarte, and it comes with a little size of the Big Eagle Mascara, and it's a really nice mascara. I really enjoy that little travel size. I'm almost done with it. So this is an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flatter for up to 16 hours. Well, I haven't tried it for 16 hours, but the day that I tried it, it was really nice. It really volumized my lashes, separate them, make them look really voluminous and nice and impressive. So I enjoyed it, and it cost $23. This is again another full size. So you know what? I only had the travel size. So these right here, oh, this is so nice. It's kind of like a neon pink with a gold lettering that says Big Eagle. It's super cool. I like it. I'm super happy that I got a mascara too. I do have plenty of mascaras right now, don't get me wrong, but I think mascaras is something that we need to change constantly, like at least every 3 months. So this is a really good way, having, you know, our subscription box giving us a mascara. That's always good because you're able to kind of like change and rotate your mascaras, so that way they don't, you know, build up on bacteria and cause, you know, could cause some type of infection to your eyelids, and that's a big no-no. Okay, so I have been adding all my products on my Boxycharm, and the value of my Boxycharm is $144. Yay! That's a really good value. I mean, I only paid $21 and I received way more. And to me, the Boxycharm is pretty much a winner. I think the only item that I'm not very excited about, it is this lip liner. I mean, not because of the brand, nothing of that. It's just a lip liner. I mean, we have been receiving lip glosses, lipsticks in the past from Boxycharm, so I guess it's okay they sent us a lip liner, but I don't know, it wasn't just, you know, as exciting as the other products in the box. All the other products are just something that I really look forward to use them. I look forward to use this Becca powder. I've never used them before. I want to feel the experience of feeling this wet powder on my face and see what it does. I kind of have that dry, normal skin, mature skin, so I'm always looking for a powder that can work under my eyes really well. Now this right here, this oil, I don't know, it's kind of grabbing my attention, you know, maybe before makeup to illuminate and make me glow. I don't know, I will have to read more about it too, because it says here that has blackcurrant seed oil and niacinamide. Now, I like niacinamide, and I use niacinamide by Paula's Choice for my enlarged pores. So, but the blackcurrant, I don't know, I will have to read a little bit more about it, because again, I do have also sensitive and reactive skin, and I don't want to have a reaction, but I will give it a go and try and see how it works. And then these cutie ones, I mean, they look a lot like ColourPop, don't get me wrong, but they're really nice. Really, really nice. If you saw them, how it went like in one swipe, full color punch, and the colors that I receive are colors that I will use. So that's important, because sometimes, you know, in these subscription boxes, sometimes you get colors that, would I really use those colors? I don't know. And then this one right here, I have tried the travel size, so I'm happy to receive a full size. Okay, my friends, now if you have enjoyed this video, there's just something else to do, and it's completely free, by the way. If you don't know, it's like, keep looking down below, just look down, and then right there you will see a button, a red button, says subscribe. Just go ahead and press that button. Please help my channel grow. Please, 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 please. Just doesn't take long. Click on it and click that notification bell so you get to know whenever I upload new videos. I do all sorts of things in this channel, from unboxings to reviews of fun new makeup. So if you want to be up to date on what's new and trendy, please, please subscribe. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with somebody that may like this type of videos. Again, my link for Boxycharm will be down below. Also, I would love to know your comments. Are you receiving Boxycharm? Are you subscribed to it? What did you receive this month, and what do you like? I would love to know, because sometimes, you know, you receive a different variation. There's items right here that you may not receive in your Boxy. You may receive another variation, which brings me to the point that my Boxycharm variation is number 2. This right here, number 2. But anyhow, you know, comment down below. Let me know. Have you received something different? Are you liking it? Not liking it? Maybe you're receiving a different eyeshadow color. Just leave your comments down below. Thank you once again for watching. Until the next time, you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.